Good morning, boys and girls, and we are into Friday. We have made it to Friday. Hooray! Now, this video is going to be as short as I can possibly make it, and it's going to be a little bit more general because usually I do a different video for each different group, but today I'm talking to two groups right now because your work is very similar today. So we're going to talk through it quickly. And hopefully maybe today I might explain the actual proper work that you're supposed to be doing rather than a completely different page. Okay, so sorry about that yesterday. I got a bit muddled and I explained the wrong page, but luckily for maths the concept was the same, which is when you multiply by 10 you put a 0 on the end. So anyway, this is Friday. Let's look at Friday's work. So today is Friday the 26th of February 2021. Friday the 26th of February 2021. So of course we start by writing our date. And of course after that then you continue to practice your spellings and complete any of the sounds in focus that you haven't done yet. It was all explained over the past few days, so it's just a matter of completing it now. And then, as usual on a Friday, try to do a little spelling test and, excuse me, and send me the results. I love to see them, all right? Moving on to our literacy then, and we are doing another piece of longer writing today. Today, your stimulus picture, or the picture you're going to write about, is a picture of a party. So you can see that there is a lot going on there. There's lots of lovely food, and many of those things I'm off for Lent, so it's making me hungry. So you can talk about all the things that's happening. There's a picture clue in that boy's jumper, which could show what they are celebrating. And they've given you one sentence to get you started. He will blow out the candles. So some of you will have this sentence and some of you won't, but the rest of the page is exactly the same. So you want you to write as much as you can about this party, all the things that you can see and what you would hear and taste and so on. So you can describe what is happening, how the children are feeling, and just generally what is going on. All right. Today for our maths, we are working on times tables mosaics. Now, this is not the one that you have, but it's just an example of one to show you what to do. So you go through the mosaic, this here, and you just work out the answers to each question. So for example, this one, 1 times 2 is 2. So my answer is 2. When my answer is 2, what colour do I colour the box? I have to look for the number 2. There it is. So I would colour this box yellow, and so on. And for example, this one here is 2 times 8, which is 16. So I'd look up at the top. I see 16's in the middle, so I would have to colour it black. All right, so just work through your own mosaic, colouring each block as you go. And a picture should appear at the end, an emoji picture, all right? And then once you've done that, you can carry on, take about maybe 10 or 15 minutes to practice your times tables again. And really, one of the best ways to learn them, boys and girls, is just to rote learn them, which just means to learn them in a row. Like 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, and so on and so on. Now, you could choose either to focus on a single set of tables that you're having difficulty with and practice saying them, or if you generally know all of the tables but there's a few you get stuck on, make a note of the ones you get stuck on and keep practicing those over and over again. I know I always get stuck on 9 4s. For some reason, I can never remember that 9 4s are 36. So if I was going through my tables, I would put a little tick next to that one and make sure that I learn it over and over again. Goodness me, boys and girls, I think I've set a new world record for the shortest video I've ever done. Pretty good, isn't it? Continue on with your accelerated reading, of course, as always. And if you haven't done a quiz yet this week, try and get one done today now if you can. And also carry on with your sum dog or, as I said, hit the button to practice those times tables. And the only other thing I have to tell you is that on Monday, new packs of work will be ready for you. I'm working on them right now. So they will be ready to go on Monday morning. So if you call in at some stage on Monday to collect your packs, and that will cover you for the next 2 weeks. Now, who knows? Maybe we'll be back before then, maybe we won't. We don't really know, but we'll have them there anyway in case we need them. We'll definitely need next week's work anyway. Okay? Talk to you again on Monday. Bye bye.